Central para mas malaki ang sinasakop because it's like a tribute to overseas Filipino workers. Doon pinakita yung confrontation with Margaret na inamin niya sa akin na nagsusorry siya, na pasensya ka na, gano'n all in English, na bakit, I'm sure meron kang galit sa akin dahil ganito. Hindi ko na masyadong spoil yung details. Kamusta yung eksena niya? That was my favorite scene. Not because it's with Nicole Kidman, no, but it's because that's where I felt the essence or the dilemma of a migrant worker. Yung dilemma ni Essie na alin ba ang pipiliin ko? Ang sarili kong pamilya, and should I go back to the Philippines and spend the rest of my life with my children and my apo, or to spend the rest of my life with the family, my surrogate family that I've already established in Hong Kong with the Wu family. So doon pinakita yung, di ba ganun naman ang mga kasi nag-immerse din ako doon sa mga domestics. Yun lagi ang dilemma nila, dahil pag napalapit ka dun sa pamilya. So, to also go back to your question, Kuya, favorite ko yun dahil in terms of acting experience, yun talaga naranasan ko ang gaano ka-powerful ang isang Nicole Kidman. Okay, nakatingin lang ako sa mata niya and kuhang-kuha ko, nagpadala lang ako ikana, yung ganon. Kaya when people after the premiere in New York were congratulating me, oh, you were very good in that scene, I would always tell them na, no, it was Nicole. Because it's really her scene. Ang ginawa ko lang, nag-react lang ako sa kanya as the character. And everything came out so beautifully. Very heartwarming. Yung pinakita, dalawang klase ng babae, isang expat, isang migrant worker. Tapos kung paano yung conflict namin. Paano kami, yung confrontation, I mean.
Kamusta yung bonding din